What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing? I am back again for another video. Just do me a favor. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video. Cause I'm coming out west. But remember I told y'all in my last video, I'm gonna let y'all see my car. If I can put my car in the shop, I'm gonna let y'all see it now. So, right here. Gotta get that out. Gotta get this dent out right here. And then this one right here, I gotta get fixed. You know, I let people drive my car and they messed it up. I get that seat fixed. I gotta put my car in. I gotta put my car in the shop because I let people drive my car and it's tore up. But it'll get fixed real soon. The engine light came on too. Well, this is the other neighborhood I took you to when I used to stay when I was younger. But show you the apartment, but I can't get in the apartment because I don't stay here no more. This is the apartment we used to stay in as well after their house got moved off of Winslow Parks. And I'm gonna show you the house my goddaughter mother used to stay in when I first met her over here. That's how we met, me and my goddaughter mother. It's this apartment. This is the street we used to play football on and stuff. That apartment, that's where my dad died at, on right next to the mailbox we used to stay at, and he passed away in our apartment. And then after he passed away, we moved. But this is one of the other neighborhoods I grew up in and stuff, and everything. Yeah, like I said, this channel is a Life with Sheriff channel. Where I grew up from, I can't speak. Where I grew up at, what I'm doing from present, I can't speak, from past to present, and where I'm going to. And stuff. But all these buildings, it look different because it's individual owned and they are upgraded. I let y'all see my car before I put it into the shop, because I need to put it into the shop real soon, because I can't keep driving my car like that. I gotta take care of my car. God gave me a car. I gotta keep it in good condition. And I took y'all to the other neighborhood I grew up in out here in Las Vegas. And I'm wanting to move into a house out here. I'm gonna have I'm thinking about doing another video, like looking at houses, which one I should get into, or which one is nice. Y'all help, it's like y'all helping me going house shopping. But I also gotta talk to y'all. Like, for real. We have so many accidents in Las Vegas. So many deaths of causing accidents. And it's not serious. People really need to, I can't speak. People really need to slow down out here, because it's not cool how y'all could get mad at the next person driving if they going the right speed limit. People out here is mean, jealous, selfish. I know it's everywhere, but we need to stick together, because it's not right how I turn on the news, somebody's killing someone, or somebody shooting up someone, shooting at someone, or anything. But do me a favor, stay positive, stay motivated, stay prayed up, keep God in your life, stay focused. At the end of the day, just be happy. I love y'all.